Let's try Sudanese food. So I never tried Sudanese food before. I believe the correct term is saniya, and I believe this dish is called bosh. It's basically a veal stew, and you can eat it with their version of roti. I believe this is called gurasa. It almost looks like injera, malawa, and a paratha mixed together. I think this is either bosh or dama. That's good. It almost reminds me of a dish we have in Pakistan called nihari, where it's just slow cooked tender beef. And the grasa is also very soft, a bit spongy. And the stew itself has a very rich tomato flavor. Not a lot of spices. And next up we have, I believe this is called fool. And that's a mix between fava beans, falafel, and feta cheese. I'm assuming you eat that with the grasa as well. I'm not too sure what this is. It doesn't look like a fava bean. Oh wait, that's bread. I'm not going to eat it with the grasa. So I'll just grab some of it with the falafel. Okay, that might be one of the juiciest falafels I've ever had, only because a lot of the times if falafel is not made fresh, it just gets super dry. And also the bread is soaked in something. It has a bit of masala, so it's not bland. And the feta cheese almost cuts through everything because it's a little bit sour. I'm giving the fool 8.7 out of 10. I'll give the dama 8.2 out of 10. And for those who don't know what's currently happening in Sudan, there is a civil war and it's been going on for almost a year. Over 13,000 innocent civilians have been killed and millions are being displaced. So if you do want to help, they need aid in medical supplies and also food. So I'm teaming up with Islamic Relief, who have people on the ground in Sudan who can help. Please do click on the link that I'm going to share to Islamic Relief and donate what you can.